Working in the shadows of Sony Studios, today's Hollywood Actor Jobs Workshop is actually a rehearsal for Monday's 7 p.m. Hollywood Actor Jobs Workshop in LA. Upon changing my major from business to theater, I concluded that I could make a living as a full-time actor if I prepared by working very hard, committing myself totally to the field, and like doctors and lawyers, training at the highest professional level. So I completed a bachelor's degree in theater, and then a master's degree in theater history and criticism, and completed my studies with a Master of Fine Arts terminal degree in acting, which I completed in an informal internship with the Tony Award-winning San Francisco Mime Troupe. Although that training gave me the highest level of expertise in the craft of acting, I received very little training in how to get acting work. And so, upon the completion of my studies, no one would hire me. I had to create my own job, the African American Drama Company. After traveling the world with AADC for some 40 years, I moved to Southern California and found out that there was so much work available. I did 144 different productions in my first year. Now, I'm mad at my professors because they didn't teach me that there's so much work in Hollywood. Here's the deal. There are more studios in Burbank, which is a suburb of LA. There are more studios in Burbank than there are in New York, Paris, London, Atlanta, Chicago combined. And all of those productions need actors. So what does that mean? There's enough work in this town for everybody. You just have to know how to apply. This is the reason that I'm making available to travel to your institution the Hollywood Actor Jobs Workshop, so that students like I was 50 years ago do not have to think that there is no way they can become employed as full-time Hollywood talent. They can be informed that there is that opportunity in La La Land. Now, the first question that I ask in this interactive workshop is one that I want you to answer right online. That is, what is the largest hurdle that one must overcome in order to be a full-time Hollywood actor? What's the hardest thing that one has to overcome? Write it in the comments.